There are so many amazing things you can do with polymer clay, not just making jewelry and beads and figurines, but you can create vessels such as bowls and boxes. In this class, you'll learn how to use oven-safe cutters as forms for making custom sizes and shapes of polymer clay boxes with lids. I give tips for decorating, but you can use any techniques you love. I'll teach you how to use scrap clay to add great visual interest to your project. You don't have to use scraps, but you can really get some great effects. I'll show you how to prepare Fat Daddy-O cutters to make straight-sided boxes. We'll then go on to building your box base, including how to create and add a lid that fits perfectly. I'll give you tips, tricks, and troubleshooting along the way, and we'll also cover many ideas for adding textures, canes, border molds, and decorations. These boxes make wonderful personalized gifts, or it can be just a special place to tuck your own treasures. Thank you for watching the preview of this class. I'm Sandy Huntress, and I look forward to you joining me for some happy creating.